Using this KISS Salon dip kit professional dipping system. This is going to be my first time using this kit. I'm going to try to stick to just using this and the items that comes inside of it. Obviously I have scissors and paper towel, but I'm going to be using this for today to show you guys how I DIY my nails. When you're opening up the kit, here's what you're getting inside. You're getting 2 sets of tips. You have the white tips, and then you have the natural neutral nail tips. You're going to get the KISS activator. So there's the liquid activator there. You're going to get the dish that you're going to be dipping the powder. You're going to be pouring the powder in here and then dipping your nail in there. You're going to get the KISS brush on gel. So it comes with one of those. The nail file is here at the bottom, and with the nail file is the instructions down there, so you have that. I wish it came with the cuticle pusher because I don't have one and I need my cuticles pushed back, but whatever. It comes with a little spongy brush. You get the dipping powder, so that is a dipping powder there, and I'm sure you're going to be throwing that in here. And the good thing I like is that it comes with 2 of these brushes, which is good. Looks like you're gonna need them. And I guess it does come with a cuticle pusher, so that's good. Okay, so it comes with a cuticle pusher. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and set that to the side. I'm gonna go ahead and set up my system on the side in order. So I'll be back, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and read the instructions and then I'll come back to you. All right, you guys, so I am back. So I have the dish here that's ready. I went ahead and got my nails together over here. So and I am starting with my dominant hand, which is my my dominant hand, which is my left hand. I can use my right hand to do my left hand, so I'm starting with that hand. So what it tells you to do, I'm sorry guys, I had the TV on. So I'm starting with my dominant hand. So here is the activator, here is the powder, and here is the gel. So it tells you in order to put the nails on, you want to take the gel activator. So I'm taking the gel activator here. So over here I have the gel activator. That's what I'm going to use to put on the well. So we're just going to put that in the well of the nail. And then apply the nail. Try to make sure that it is nice and straight. So I'm going to hold it there for 30 seconds. Now it's starting to cure and stick. So there is my. So here's hey guys, I'm back. So all I did while I was gone was I went ahead and cut these nails down because I just wanted to see how short I want them. I want them really short. I don't like long nails, so I just went ahead and cut them short. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other 2. I'm just eyeballing it, to be honest. Yeah, that's good. And yeah, that's good. So I'm gonna have to file them down anyway, so I cut them a little bit longer than I wanted them, just because I'm gonna have to file them. So so you want to cut the nails and file them to the shape that you actually want it to be once you finish dipping. You guys, so here are my nails after I went ahead and filed them down. Sorry. So that's how short I want them, and that's the shape I'm going to be going for as of right now. Not the prettiest, as you guys can see. My cuticles need to be done, but you know, we'll worry about that at a later time because right now I don't have the cuticle oil or the clipper to go ahead and do my cuticles, so I'll just worry about that at a later time. All right, activator, gel, powder. So you want to go ahead, take the powder, open that up. So it has a little seal here, as you guys can tell. I'm going to open up the seal, which opened it up poorly. So here's how that's looking. So the powder is pink. So I'm gonna go ahead and dump that in there. All of it. Okay. So here's what's gonna happen. So I have to take the gel, I have to polish it onto my nails, and then dip my hand inside of the powder. Here's the first nail that has been dipped. And as you guys can tell, not the perfect, but the perfect one, but it's looking okay. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest. So now it tells you to go ahead and apply the second layer, you guys. Doing the exact same thing, dipping into the powder after you've applied the layer of gel. The only difference this time is that because you already have the powder on there and you're having to use this brush, this is why they gave you the other brushes, just in case like later on when you need to use it. When you're using the brush, after you go ahead and apply the gel, you want to wipe it onto the paper towel and clean off the brush before you put it back into the gel. That way you do not mess up your gel, you guys, okay?
And now, without further heaving or hoeing, we launch our Naughty Nauticals musical entertainment tonight.
Activator, your liquid activator. and you want to apply a coat to each of your nails. All right, you guys, so I'm back and I went ahead and I let it dry for about 15 minutes. Sorry, for about 15 minutes. So here's how it's looking after 15 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and file down. Now, yours will look a lot better if your cuticles are cleaned up. Mine are not. I really don't care. But I'm gonna go ahead and file down my nails. You file them down to where you want them to be, how you want them shaped, how you want them to look. I am going to do mine to how I want mine to look. All right, you guys, we're back, and here's what my nails look like. I went ahead, I filed them down, I shaped them. Might not be the best, but hey, this is good for me, especially since I am a beginner at doing my nails. And look at the size, guys. This is only 2 coats, and it looks pretty decent for 2 coats. I definitely recommend anyone who does not want to try the acrylic first, who wants to do something quick, easy, who does not want to pay a lot of money to get their nails done, but do not want to go through the process of trying to do the acrylic their first time, definitely get this KISS dip powder system. This is definitely worth it. It's worth it, you guys. The last step, you guys, is to use a last layer of the activator as like a top coat. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. As you guys can see, this is supposed to make the nails all nice, shiny, and pretty much done. So try to avoid getting it on your skin as I am doing, because I'm definitely getting it all over the place.
And now, without further heaving or hoeing, we launch our Naughty Nautical musical entertainment tonight.
Put on a top layer of this clear coat. This is Rapid Dry LA Colors. I'm going to put this on, and then I'll show you guys my final results. All right, you guys, so here is the finished look of my nails using the KISS Dip Powder system. Overall, you guys, I absolutely recommend anyone who is just beginning doing their nails to get this kit. Definitely. If you do not want to use the acrylic set to try to do your nails for the first time, get the dip powder kit. I promise you, you guys, this is definitely worth the money, okay?